Hi everyone, this is Fred from 4x4 Shop. Today we install our 10.25-inch Android screen in a 2015 Audi Q7 that it didn't come with the nav and backup camera. By the way, customer came all the way from New York. That's the backup camera. That's the unit, how it looks like after installation. The buttons are back there. That's the bracket. And also we add AMI cable for auxiliary. It's right here. And we add one USB here that I'm going to show you. We can play video from this unit. So
all right, let's get to
that's
work.
a full screen video.
Hey, Roman, you freaking out?
No. Yes, you are.
Should somebody just walk me through what we're supposed to be doing?
Also, that's the aftermarket. As you can see, we do have some options here, and we still can use the 3G MMI button to scroll left and right without any problem and choose whatever we like. And also I can go back to original, and you can see the original MMI is working too. By touching nav, hold it long, it goes back to the aftermarket and it goes to GPS mode.
Have a nice trip. Drive carefully. Have a nice trip. Drive carefully.
Here it reads some OBD information from the car: kilometers, temperature outside, and also apps are right here. Google Maps or Waze or any other apps that we want to use, we can use it. And by going to reverse, it goes to backup camera with dynamic parking guidelines. So when I turn the steering wheel, the dynamic parking guidelines turns too. And this feature works in factory option 2. Same thing. Also, you can touch the screen, go back to the aftermarket mode. And that's the media player. You can change it to full screen. I can go back. That's the OBD reader. It reads the RPM and speed of the car. If you're interested to get these type of screens in your Audi Q7, you can give us a call at 905-604-4294, or you can order them online from 4x4shop.ca. Thank you and have a great day.